So a big part of the relationship with the dentist in the area is an interesting one in that that's a big part of the study club groups, things like that. You know, those groups are the part of the biggest benefit of them is that you meet with a group of people regularly, that you discuss cases regularly, and you learn how each other think and the types of things that you're each looking for. And in doing so, you can really give your patients much better care. So the relationship becomes really one of trust. And the key is I know that if I call this dentist and say, hey, I need you to take a look at these two things, he'll call me back and say, hey, this looks great, can you work on this for me? And we kind of go back and forth, and it becomes, it's actually really fun when you find some dentists to work with together on certain cases, and you get these, we call them interdisciplinary cases. And then obviously we treat a lot of kids, so we work with some pediatric dentists, and that relationship is that, you know, they take great care of the patients from their perspective, and then our job, as I see it, is we're taking care of their patients, because the pediatric dentist is essentially the primary care doctor of that patient. And our job is to take as good a care as that patient, essentially, for the patient and for them. So it's really just a big team effort where everyone's working together, and we just all have it's kind of like I was talking about with the tools that we have to use for orthodontics to give them. It's each practice, each type of different specialty has its own set of tools to help get our patients to where they need to be. So it's recognizing, knowing who's going to fit well with someone and going from there.